Navigating big Unity scenes feels like flying a broken drone through fog. You scroll for minutes, orbit endlessly, and still land nowhere useful. Zoom's too slow, arrows barely move. And hotkeys, you need a cheat sheet just to remember them. All I want is to focus on my level, but the islands are way off in space. Feels like I'm piloting blind. Let's fix this with UnitAI. Let's say I want to look at a bridge in my 3D scene, specifically one connecting two distant islands. Normally that's a headache in Unity. The camera moves slowly, orbit controls get messy, and navigating in large spaces can take forever. So I tried the faster way. I just ask the model, look at the bridge. But then nothing happens. The model replies, I can't find which object you mean. And now I realize the problem. I have multiple game objectives, named bridge. That's common in big Unity scenes. You duplicate assets, forget to rename them, and suddenly half your objects share the same name. The model isn't guessing, it needs clarity. So here's the trick. I drag the exact bridge object from the hierarchy into the chat. This gives UnitAI a precise reference. Now it knows exactly what to focus on, and immediately it moves the viewport to center that object. No more wasted time flying around or clicking endlessly through the scene, just smart navigation that works on your terms. This tells UnitAI exactly what I mean. Instantly, the model repositions the viewport and locks onto the target object. No confusion. This solves a major pain point when navigating large or complex 3D scenes. Now, to make things clearer for future edits, I decide to rename my bridges properly. Bridge 1, Bridge 2, and Bridge 3. With those changes done, I want to test it out. I go back to UnitAI, drag Bridge 3 from the hierarchy into the chat and type look at Bridge 3. The model now has a clear reference. This time, it responds confidently and shifts the camera right to the bridge between the last two islands. A clean, focused transition. I look at the scene and realize just how much simpler this made it. Instead of wrestling with the viewport controls or hunting the object manually, I get a precise view in one step. Even in complex scenes, it doesn't matter how far the object is or what it's called. As long as I give the model a specific reference, it delivers. And since we renamed everything clearly, I can now ask about any bridge without confusion. It's not just fast, it feels like collaborating with someone who understands Unity as deeply as I do. Now let's take it up a notch. I ask the model, fly around Bridge 1, Bridge 2, and Bridge 3. And UnitAI starts flying the camera around each bridge, one at a time, giving me clean cinematic views from different angles. It's not just about moving the scene camera anymore. This is about seeing your 3D space from the best perspectives with zero manual control. Perfect for quick level design reviews, environment setup, or making video previews without lifting a finger. Next, I want to check my UI layout, so I ask, switch to 2D mode. The camera switches, but Unity's default view drops me into some corner of the UI scene, where barely anything is visible. Yeah, classic Unity design, sarcastically speaking. So I type, look at canvas. Boom, I'm right on top of the actual UI layout. Centered. Clear, editable. That's how navigation should work. Not guessing where things are, not flying aimlessly, just fast access to what matters. With UnitAI, scene navigation becomes intelligent. No more memorizing keyboard shortcuts. No more dragging scene cameras manually for minutes. Try it for yourself. Your 3D project just got a whole lot easier to manage.